Imagine making $190 million in a single day. Now, imagine doing it while the rest of the market is burning to the ground, all because you knew exactly when a former president was going to hit send on a tweet. That's not trading, that's time travel. Or, it's the most blatant case of legal insider trading we've seen this year. Let's look at the blockchain, because the blockchain never lies. Here is how the heist went down. It starts on October 9th. A mystery wallet deposits 80 million USDC into an exchange. Immediately, they start opening massive short positions on Bitcoin. For the uninitiated, shorting is betting money that an asset's price is about to fall off a cliff. You don't bet $80 million on a hunch. That is, I know something is about to break money. But they weren't done. A few hours later, 3:49 AM on October 10th, they deposit another 30 million. This time, they short Ethereum. Total collateral, $110 million, all betting on a crash. The trap is set. Now watch the timing. Later that afternoon, 14:57 GMT, Donald Trump posts on Truth Social threatening tariffs on Chinese products. The market gets spooked. Charts dip. A normal trader sits back and takes that profit, right? Not this guy. He doesn't close the shorts. In fact, he keeps adding to them. Look at the trade logs. They are hammering the sell button. Order, order, order. Right up until 20:49 and 23 seconds GMT. Why did they stop exactly then?
Because less than 60 seconds later, at 20:50 GMT, Trump drops the hammer, a second post. Not a threat this time, a concrete announcement of a 100% tariff. The markets react instantly. It's a bloodbath. The geopolitical fear nukes risk assets. Bitcoin drops 7.5%. Ethereum plummets almost 11%. It is a sea of red for retail traders. But for our mystery whale, it's harvest time. Just 30 minutes after the tweet, they casually begin closing their positions. The dust settles, and the net profit on the screen? $190 million. That is roughly $8 million of profit per hour over a single day. Now, if this happened on Wall Street with stocks, the SEC would already be kicking down doors and seizing hard drives. But in crypto, it's the Wild West. Unless you can prove they hacked Trump's phone, this is just considered a well-timed trade. But let's be real. Someone was in the group chat. Someone knew that post was being drafted. We see this information leakage everywhere. Look at Polymarket. The betting volume for the Nobel Peace Prize winner went vertical 12 hours before the announcement was made. Foresight isn't being democratized. It's being monetized by the people close to the source. We see it with Nancy Pelosi's stock picks. We see it with whales buying AMD calls right before an OpenAI partnership drops. Markets move on information, and retail is always the last to get it. The financial markets aren't a casino where the odds are the same for everyone. It's a dinner table, and if you don't know who the mark is, it's you. Drop a comment below. Lucky guess? Or were they in the room? Subscribe for more financial crime. Analysis.